Do you know why I stopped you?
Yes, because I was driving too fast.
Why were you driving so fast?
I must drive fast to the hospital.
Why are you driving to the hospital?
My wife is pregnant.
How old is your wife?
She is 70 years old.
Your wife is 70 years old and she is pregnant?
Yes, I am telling the truth.
I want you to call your wife, please.
Now?
Yes, now.
I forgot her number.
You forgot your wife's phone number?
Yes.
Or are you lying to me?
No, maybe. I am sorry. I was very nervous.
Your wife is 70 years old and she is pregnant? Do not lie next time, or there will be consequences.
Okay. Understood.
Please drive slowly and safely.